Hello guys. Today we're gonna do this beautifully comforting noise. Or should I really just say this thing is like super peaceful? Not I'm actually not lying, this thing's actually peaceful. I listened to it was peaceful. I hate beat one though. It sounds so off in this thing though. But hey, let me show you what it looks like. So far, I really love how they all change colors though. That's like my favorite part of it. And everything except the beats, like all of these guys, they all sound so good. But hey, I I really like how they actually added some very good details. For this being a scratch mod, this is kind of like the most detailed one that I have ever seen. All the other ones are something different, but hey, let me show you all the designs though and the sounds. Oh god. Oh, by the way, guys, this very much reminds me of like an analog horror type thing. But hey, the beats look nice, they sound nice, especially these two. But let's see how they all sound together. See why I told you this beat sounds a little off. I mean, if these two were just alone, they both sound good together. Just give it a second. Just give it a second. I mean, with some other ones combined with it, then it would sound good. But I'm not sure if these guys are melodies, these guys are effects, or effects, melodies, and then voices. But they all sound like melodies, except this one, it's more like an effect. Melody and effect, that's the thing, so I guess I'm gonna pair... I'm seriously just gonna place them down, I don't know. But I really like the designs. Like, this guy looks like he's from the Mandela Kellogg Incredibots. This guy, well, of course, it looks like he would be there. Now, right away, they really changed all the noses. Like, they all have different noses. Well, some do. I love this guy, he sounds so good. I honestly can't get enough with this guy's sound. It sounds so good. Like, compared to all these, they all sound good, but this guy, nah, He really makes it comforting. Like for real, it sounds so nice. Anyways, we got this janitor guy. Let's see. Come on. This one sounds like this guy, just hitting his head on thin air, and also just making the first notes. But, let me see how it sounds with both them. Oh, I love when that happens. It sounds so peaceful when it, like, echoes away. Or, like, slowly but surely goes away. But now we get to see this person with brass knuckles. Why does that happen so good, too? I love how, like, when it's about to go to the second loop, it, like, repeats, like, it mimics, like, the first part of it, kind of. But hey, guess what time it is? The wine guy. Give him a second. Now. Now. I'm just gonna say it right now. All of these guys possibly combined into one. Beautiful. Except this guy. I hate him. Just everything together would sound so good to, like, together. Oh, and also, I really wish they added, Super Polos so we can add all of them just to see how they all sound together. Anyways, here's the most peaceful one. Or second. For a Scratch mod to sound so good and have some good animations, well, most of these guys have good animations. Mostly this guy because he does a beat. This guy you hardly see. But so far, all of this sounds so beautiful, so majestic. So hey, let's see how it all sounds together in the mix. My god, did I love how this sound. Like, this thing is like the most peaceful incredible that I've ever heard. And it sounds so peak too. Like everything on this, to the character designs, to the sounds, except this guy, it sounds all so good. And hey, this Incredibots is about to go in my top one. Past the um um I don't remember which one I put in my first place, but hey, I love this mod, and this mod sounds so beautiful too. Anyways, have a peaceful day, or night, or afternoon, either one that you're in. Just have a good time and that day. I've been just waiting for some good Incredibots to do, and I do have some that I will do. The thing is, I'm going to make a week of Halloween, and on Halloween, I'll possibly do either a huge mod or like a pretty spooky mod for Halloween. Yeah, but I'm gonna seriously just try to find some good Halloween ones to do, or horror ones. That one will work too. But if you don't see me in a while, just know I'm waiting for some good Incredibots, or I'm simply just making some videos and simply not making ones for the present. Because today is the 16th, so I got a long time before Halloween comes up. So yep, gotta make plans for Halloween.